my beautiful people, welcome once again to my channel. I'm sure if you've been following me from the beginning, you already know what this page is all about. Today right here, I'm going to be making a special delicacy called Ikpaoka. It is Igbo corn moi moi, something of that sort. So in case you don't like having beans as your moi moi, or Igbos will rightly call it mai mai, you can have Ikpaoka made out of cornmeal. Yes, not too smoothly blended cornmeal. And then you have every other thing you want to add into it. You can have your fish, your chicken, your termites, your anything. Our indigenous Igbo people will know that adding termites to Ikpaoka is sweet. It gives it this nourishing sweet taste. But anyways, join me as I'll be showing you how to make this yummy meal.
Abunga bana dia 5 ona bashiriko mbana uranya kuranya mbapa yukweli umaya ruma sawa koya aya katabungo eba lobumda super namia shanje aye super aya kata
So guys, did you follow through while I made this yummy dish, this Ikpaoka? So this is the end product. As you can see, I did a lot of tricks in this meal because I wanted mine to be unique. You know, Orindu is all about giving you guys a special vibe with different ways and methods you can make your food. I'm going to be giving this my first bite. You guys need to give this a try. You guys need to try this out. Oh, this is nice. Everything is crunchy, not like a film. And if you don't want the regular moi moi, let's go for this. And for you guys back home, I'm eating this one on your behalf. So, if you follow through in the video, you will see that I added prawn, okoro, crayfish, your normal Titus fish, everything is inside. Pepper, maggi sauce, everything is just inside. So if you want to see more of these videos, please stay tuned to this page. Make sure your notification button is on. Don't ever turn that thing off. Please share, like, subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment if you love this video, and also try it out and let me know the outcome of it. You can also make this with your regular nylon. You can make it with anything, but to give it that distinct taste, I had to use local ingredients for this, and this is amazing. See you guys on my next episode, and remember, good food has no price.